Oh, the car was making some weird noises. Wife told me. Took it out today. We got some kind of a bearing noise on the engine. I think it's an idler on the serpentine belt. See the idler for the serpentine belt. Goes right in here. And then we're going to replace the tensioner, which is down below, just in case.
Yes, sir.
There it is.
See, the O-ring I was telling you about?
Yeah.
So it's a paint, so it binds the bolt up.
Yeah. That thing looks rough. Nothing?
Yeah, a little bit. You can hear it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Combination.
You can feel it. I think it's probably a combination of the two.
Yeah.
I don't know, but we'll find out.
Exactly.
That was easier than I thought.
Yeah.
Well, let me give a little background. This whole thing started because my wife said the car was making some noise. So I took it this morning, and I actually heard it. So I brought it into the shop to just pick it up and see what's going on. We found an exhaust leak. One of the seals by the converter was leaking, so we fixed that. Then we started up, get it ready to, leave, and I hear this grinding noise. Come to find out, the idler on the serpentine belt and the tensioner is making noise. The bearings are shot. So to figure that out, we had to take the belt off and individually move all of the pulleys around and check them all. And that's how we found out the idler was making most of the noise, but the tensioner feels a little rough. So I'm replacing both just to get it done and, and be done with it. These Taurus are known for tensioners. This is a 2006 with a 3.0. I am surprised. It is the original tensioner and it got about 139,000 miles on it. So since we're in there, I figured, hey, just replace the damn thing. I'm not even gonna mess with it. It's gonna suck if we put it all together and it still makes the noise.
I know.
Oh, it's so pretty when they're brand new. Can you see it? Different size?
Yeah, they made it a 16. So you know.
So up to 16?
16 instead of a 15. The original OEM is a 15. Fucking OEM.
I told you, it's not easy to get that thing on. Oh, you bastard, you got it on? Dude, that thing took me forever. Yeah? You got it on. Sweet. Ah, so pretty.
All right, let's start it and see what happens.
Yeah, let's start it and pray for the best. Car sounds like a kitten, purring like a kitten. Now the hard part, gotta go pay for the service. Well, it's all set. Just got home. Ride's nice. No more exhaust leak and no more bearing noise. Not bad. Guys did a great job at the shop. Probably wondering why I didn't do it myself, because I didn't want to. And I needed a lift to pick the car up and see, what was going on underneath. And bottom line is, I didn't want to. Didn't want to get dirty. Didn't want to be freezing cold outside, blah, blah, blah. So I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe, like the video, share it. Thank you. That's all I got. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.